Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and I am back with another theme preview. This is one of our very own Framer themes, which is available to buy on coastalthemes.com and from the Framer marketplace. This is Intor. It is a perfect theme for an interior design business or any business where you want a lot of imagery, you want a really clean layout, and specifically for this theme, we've broken the grid here. We've incorporated some really nice animations. You can see this scroll prompt animation here. We have some nice hover effects with these arrows, and overall it's a really versatile theme. We have done a video where we've gone into this theme, changed the fonts, changed the colors, and made it a bit more classic, so you can kind of swing it either into a more modern direction or a more classic direction, and that is completely up to you. So you can see this is our homepage. You have everything you need, including how it works section, a case study section, which allow you to click through, more space for content, and of course, not forgetting a blog/news sort of section at the end, and finally, our call to action in our footer. And of course, all our themes are responsive, so suitable for desktop, tablet, and mobile. If I jump into some of the other pages, we have the About Us page. This is a perfect place to talk about your company, introduce your team. So we have these headings on different sides of the page, so really playing with layout, and it is quite different to a typical layout of another site that you would expect. So something a little bit different if you're after a nice modern theme. We have the team section at the bottom here. And of course, as with all our themes on Framer, it's really easy to load up and customize it to your brand, take out what you're not going to use and keep what you will use. We have a How It Works page, again bringing in this lovely scroll to explore line animation. A perfect place to talk about your services and explain some different benchmarks. You might even want to talk about your values here. Space for testimonials, and of course you can take this section and drop it into your homepage. Anything that really works for you. And then finally we have two CMS sections, our project section, which works as our case studies. So for this interior design site, you can see we can click on this and it will take us to our detail page. This is our case study, lots of space for your own content, written and imagery as needed. And then in our news section, this is our blog. You can name it blog, you can name it news, you could name it journal, whatever you'd like. And this allows you to list your articles. And if we click into one of these, you can see the detail page. It gives you the date and allows you again to populate all your content as needed, as well as show other posts at the bottom of the page. The final page you want to see is the contact page. We've got a nice Framer form. Here we've just done name, email, message with a submit button, but you can add as many fields as you need in order to gather all the information you need from your users. So you can find this theme on the Framer marketplace. You can also find it on coastalthemes.com. Come onto our website, hit Framer templates, and if you scroll down, you will see Intor sitting here. Hit read more and hit Framer, get Framer template, and you'll be able to buy that directly from us. If you have any questions or you need any help, comment on this video, drop us an email, or come onto our website, coastalthemes.com, hit contact us and send us any and all the questions that you have, and we will get back to you. And that's it from me today. I hope you like Intor, and I will be back with a video very soon. Bye!